I think Sundance has taught Hollywood a lot about the art of storytelling. I think to take risk, first of all, that audiences are ready for different kinds of stories, original stories, stories about people that we don't see all the time in Hollywood movies. I think Hollywood's learning from us that those can actually be commercial as well. I think, but it's attention to the detail of story that we teach. Like, that in the details there's magic, and I think people are drawn to it. I think in just the scrappy nature of having a dream, believing in it, and getting the film done, I think that's something that the industry sees as something that's vital to making great movies. I think that younger filmmakers and younger audiences are going to tell us that. I mean, we have a program that we do with Adobe called Ignite that is for 18 to 25-year-olds. It is the most, it's the most exciting thing I do in my job right now. I think youth is going to show us, what it is. I think they're the audience of the future. Audiences are phasing out, so we have to find the product that they are going to respond to, that they think is hot. And I think it might go sometimes all different forms. That's one thing, they're not afraid of switching from a web series to a feature to a short to animation. They're all over as long as they have the creativity behind the story. And I think that's what we're going to see.